What's up YouTube? My name is Eli and welcome to World of Profitability, where we discuss everything to help scale up. Thank you for 53 subscribers, and if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime we make a video in this channel. Now today I'll be giving you a brief update of the month and a brief update of how the accounts have been performing. So heading over to my dashboard on Goat Funded Trader, we are currently at a drawdown of -2%, which is -$100. We've been trading this account for a month now because we lost some accounts on March, which was one of the worst trading months I've ever had. But we fixed that, and we're back again on the Pro Farm journey, and we had this account with the Goat Funded Trader, which is a 5k account, currently drawdown at these $100, which is a very slight drawdown. So I had only one setup throughout the week because we had rates that was changing on JPY, and I usually major on JPY pairs, and also we had some changes, some interest rate on USD. So for the week I only traded for 2 days. Normally I don't trade on Friday, so I don't count Friday as a trading day. So I had one setup on Thursday. On Monday was a good trading day, but I did not have any setup. But on Thursday I managed to catch this setup, which resulted to a loss. I'm going to show you from the trading view. So this was the setup. Eventually the trade went to our direction. We had the stop loss after actually stopping us out, but you have to follow your system. And how I came to get this trade was simply starting my analysis from the daily time frame. I usually told you that when I get my daily bias from the long-term trade, and also from zones and the previous day. So in this case, the previous day was bearish, and as you can see, we were at a very strong resistance. So this market, anytime it reaches a very high, it usually drop a bit, and so I was expecting some selling momentum at this point. So on this day, which was on a Thursday, I came to my trading view, and I was ready to look for a setup from 6 a.m. because that's when I start my trading day. So from 6 a.m. the market was pulling back, which was a good sign that I was looking for. I was looking for a pullback. By the way, on Audi JPY, actually I've not been trading Audi JPY, and I'm actually back testing it and front testing it. But I've seen that most of the trades result to break even. So by the end of a couple of months, I will be able to gather enough data. But it's a profitable pair with my system as well. As you can see, I usually from Audi JPY, I want the market to have at least a pullback of about 20 to 40 pips. Depending on the pullback, when I get a reversal pattern, I can take that setup from that point. So this one was it done a pullback of about 50 pips, which was a good sign. So by about 7:45 a.m. I had spotted a reversal pattern, which I usually drew an M pattern for sales and a W pattern for buys. So allow me to delete that one. I can draw it again. Let me zoom a bit so you can see some buys, some sells, some buys, and then sellers over there. If I drag this one on this side, you can see that's an M pattern. So it doesn't look very much good, but it's an M pattern, and this 15-minute candle closed below this bullish candle, also a 15-minute candle. So something else I usually check is the previous 1 hour, and at that point the previous 1 hour was very bearish. So I executed the setup it was an instant market execution. After executing, the market actually did not go to my direction at any point. It went to straight to my, actually it ragged for some time, and then it went to my stop loss. And after hitting my stop loss, 1 hour later, I I had an alert that the market is dropping like crazy. You see, this is due to Trump tweets. Nowadays we usually use Twitter as a forex factory. Trump is tweeting the Fed chair, so due to such events, the market actually sold and wiped a lot of account. If you don't use your stop loss, my brother, your account will be wiped out. So with that being said, that's it for this video. I look forward to seeing you next month. I usually don't trade during NFP week, so I will not be in the market. So let's see you in the next matches. The next month, which is May. And by the way, April I returned about -1%, so it was a losing month. And I expect some few months of the year to be like that, some few months to be crazy months, some few months to be break even, and whatever. So I look forward to having a good month on May and passing this account and getting a payout at least. I'm very disciplined on this setup, by the way. That's why I had at least just one trade on this for now. See you in the next video. Bye bye.